Hi, I'm Ruth from Things for Strings. Remote teaching has brought our community of string teachers new challenges. In response, I have decided to produce a series of short videos offering answers to frequently asked questions about our Things for Strings line of popular and proven bow hold teaching tools, as well as some teaching tips from our own studios. I start today with 3 important Bow Hold Buddies accessory set positioning tips to guarantee a relaxed and effective violin or viola bow hold every time. First, make sure the hold fish, for the pinky, swims to his buddy, the frog. Second, the hold fish slides as far as possible up the bow stick. Finally, make sure the tip of the accessory frog's leg is smushed just on top of the bow hair at the metal ring, which is called the ferrule, so that hair, metal, and rubber all meet in one flush point. It's that easy for beginning players to get a head start on tone. Learn more at thingsforstrings.com.